Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Conrad sama loong ba keseng NPP kadap da Jingkmen ba arngut ki MDC nama Khraw ba namairang bat uwei padu MDC barim nasora kila Pynïasoh syaka yeng keseng National People's Party family ba la Pynpaw ba la pliang singha yaki pajaki weiru kinong yalam ki ba Pynïasoh syaka seng hakas kinukong na ki constituency ba per Ulaong ba uai kublei ya state president uba Preston Tinsong ya baro kejing Tracy Tom baling ba kene kala ai mensim ya kejing mi kaba baharu na kebenta ke election MP hakane ke election Lok Sabha Banwan kini ki arngot kidei uba bat scam tiang MDC Kemarang bat uba Kanes so syang MDC Khraw alor kini MDC berim ke kongres na sora uba Doniwan Khraw lang ru ulami no na ke kongres kini ki MDC bar MDC berim kila rai ba Pynïasoh no ilade syaka National People's Party NPP kebalanang ai mensim ya NPP haka Jingkmen Khraw ban mi syaka lempung yukun jong ke election MP Lok Sabha kaban long hakine ki kindiat nai ban wan ya kini gila ngut lap yang buram menta kesengi da National President ka Party Conrad ke sama padu President ka National People's Party Meghalaya ba Preston Tinsong hak jingilang ka balalong hapo ka office troika ka NPP halai chumer.
Thank you, sir. Bawailah to Sri Kanes Soshan. Marcus, our minister, he is the working president of Dalhousie. You kindly hand over. Thank you, sir. I request Masnova to kindly.
Yes, today in fact we are very happy that two sitting MDCs from Khraw and from Mairang and one former MDC from Sora today have joined the National People's Party family, and I take this opportunity to welcome Bakarnes and our other leaders who have joined us today from different constituencies, and also we are very happy to see that there has been a very positive move from many constituencies where a lot of leaders are today joining the party. The party organization is very active, and I must congratulate the state president Preston Tinsong for all the hard work that he's putting in, and as I said, we are happy to see the positive trend, and I'm sure that this positive trend of people coming and joining the party will definitely have an impact in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections also.
Sir, after backing?
No, you see, many leaders are joining from many political parties, so it's not just from a political party or B political party. People are joining us from different political parties, and as I said, we're happy about it. Politics always will have this kind of situations where depending on the scenario, different leaders will join different political parties, and it happens in politics. And today there are people joining us. As I said, we welcome them. Regarding the question of vacuum, there's never a vacuum in politics, because whenever there is a vacuum, then it's filled up immediately. So therefore, as we move forward, as I said, we're hopeful that the positive work that the MDA 2 government headed by the National People's Party today is moving forward. So we do expect that we will get much more positive response in the coming days.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center